Hello everyone, myself Varun Jain. I am taking one of your subject that is machine learning. On the basis of that, we have identified some curriculum gaps. That is feature engineering and data visualization technique, which is crucial for real world application. Okay, so this is we have divided our headings like feature engineering and data visualization, and we are taking their techniques for real world applications. So, what is the importance of data preparation? Data is basically a foundation for machine learning, and we know that if our data is poorly prepared or poorly maintained, that leads to some inaccurate results that we already know. So, there are two main process for data visualizations. The first one is feature engineering, and the second one is data visualization itself. So, in what is feature engineering? Process of removing, transforming raw data into meaningful features. Okay, like if we have some data which leads to some uh, results, but after some processing. So for that, we required some models to perform functions on that data, and for that, definitely required some knowledge, some others techniques or some kind of maybe creativity is required to process that data. So what is the importance of feature engineering? It enhances predictive powers of models, uh, then reduces dimensionality, handles missing and noisy data, help models learn better representations. These are the important feature of engineering. Now there are subclasses of feature engineering. The first one is feature creation. Like if we combined or having new features, for that we required feature, which means feature creations. Feature transformation means scaling and coding and normalizing data. Means we have data, but all values are in not, we can say that in a near about values. So for that we required some scaling and some kind of encoding is required to get normalized data, so that we have almost or near about values of the data. Then the feature selection, choosing the important features, like which features we want to work on it. Feature extraction, for the feature extraction we required to uh, we have multiple models, but we are discussing about the reducing dimensionality, like already mentioned, that is PCA and TSNE. The PCA stands for Principal Component Analysis. It is basically used to exploratory data analysis and machine learning to simplify data set without losing critical informations. Okay, and the TSNA stands for T-distributed stochastic neighbor embedding. It's basically a statistical model for visualizing high dimensionality data by giving each data point to a location in 2D or 3D maps. Now, feature engineering techniques, we have some feature engineering techniques like imputation, handling missing values like mean, median, mode, encoding categorically data, one hot encoding and label encoding, scaling and normalization like mean max value, and standardization, polynomial features, creating interaction terms. Again, the dimensional detection we already discussed. The new terms is LDA. LDA stands for linear discriminant analysis. It is a basically approach using supervised machine learning to solve multi-class classification problems. And feature selection like recursive feature elimination and select k-best. With the k-best refers to feature selection techniques where the top values are identified and assigned them as a k as choosing some information. It is very much important in improving the performance and reducing overfitting by removing some unnecessary features. Now, the introduction to data visualization converts raw data into visual context, helps in data exploration, storytelling, identify trends, patterns, and outliers. Importance of data visualizations means communicate insight effectively, like if we have data, we have analyzed that data. Now the what is the importance of data visualization? It basically to communicate insights effectively, means what we have visualized and what is the importance of that. Identify correlation and dependencies. Decision making. It helps also to make our decisions firm. Enhance feature selection, model interpretability. The types of data visualization techniques. We have some techniques for data visualization, like already we can see that univariate analysis like histograms and box plots, bivariate analysis, scatter plots, pair plots, multivariate analysis, heat maps, parallel coordinates, geospatial visualization like maps and chloroplasts. So univariate means which is applicable to all. Bivariate means which is only for two. Multivariate for means we can analyze in a multiple ways. Geospatial analysis basically it helps. It is in context of some location specific. Data visualization tools, we have Python libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly, and business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, web-based platform like Google Data Studio, and B3.js. JS stands for JavaScript. Best practices for data visualization: choose the right chart for your data, keep it simple, intuitive, use color effectively, provide proper labels and legends, avoid misleading representations. Now, if we talk about the real world application like finance, fraud detection, risk analysis, healthcare में बात करें तो that is disease prediction and patient monitoring, e-commerce में customer segmentations, recommendation systems, marketing में sentiment analysis and A/B testing. Now these we can say that a case study for predicting customer churn. Step one, we required some kind of data that we have to analyze, and we have to extract some good points like feature that those we can call features. Then feature selection, then these good points can be taken out, and further analysis can be done on those. We can say that the points. Then we require some kind of model to visualize that points, or we have collected features. Then we have to give insights of the visualizations. So this is how we concluded, like feature engineering enhances model performance with data visualization, aid decision making. It helps us to make some decisions, and both are crucial for real world applications. Both are important. Thank you. I'm welcome to questions and discussions.